Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, July the 3rd, here at KIT Iizuka, third period, English 1C. I got a few things I need to talk to you about today, and then after that, we can get started on what we're doing. Let's see here. Let me get my iPad image on the computer, and we'll work from there. Okay, here's the third. I have a big favor to ask you. Right here, this survey, the ChatGPT survey on our Moodle, this is a request from my friend, Louise Ohashi. She's a teacher out at Tokyo, and she wants to do a survey for the opinions of Japanese students. Now, don't worry, it's not hard. If you click on this link right here, okay, it'll take you to the survey, and it's all in Japanese. Okay, so it's not in English. It just wants to get, what are you thinking? What are you feeling about ChatGPT as a Japanese university student? And the survey will not take your name. It's an anonymous survey. So it'll take about 10 minutes. And if you don't answer the long detailed questions, you just click yes, no, and you don't write anything, probably even a little bit less. So please do me a favor. It's not required, but I would like you to take that survey. It's on our, let's see here, hang on. Got to get this going. Did that go back? Alrighty. No, here we are. Okay. So class 3, right here. Okay, the ChatGPT survey. Okay. In a few moments, we're going to be going to this link here and download in a new tab for the shadowing article that we will do about climate change. I'll give you a chance to read that. And I want to, again, see just how quickly you can read this. But that's what we will be doing for our warm-up. And let's see. Oh, something that's very important that I haven't showed you yet. The conversation test that we will do is going to be a group test. Okay, now because it's a group test, what I want you to do is choose one person as your partner. Okay, oh, good, it's up already. Choose one person as your partner. And let me just open that up so you can see it on your own Moodle. Okay, so right here. Final partner name and student submission. Okay, this is what I need you to do before everything else, okay? So the conversation test will be a group test. It'll be a group of 4 people. Maybe not all groups will be 4, but generally it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you don't make the groups. I will make the groups. Okay? What you do is you choose one person, anybody you like, okay, and that's your partner, okay? Now that partner, you talk to each other, you say, let's be partners. And then you go here to your final partner name and student submission. And here, all I want you to do basically is write the name of your partner. So let me change this to student, and then I can show you. Okay. I just want you, okay, to write the name of your partner. Oops. I'm still in student mode. Hang on a second. I should be. We'll work that out. I've got something wrong in the settings, I think. In any case, I'll talk about this a little bit later in Japanese, but I want you to just put in your partner's name and student number. And then I take those pairs. So let's say you two are a pair. You're a pair, you're a pair. I'll put them together, me. And that will be one group. And that group will be the conversation test group. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about the conversation test next week. We still have time. But today, I want you to choose your final partner name and student number, okay? And I want you to write that in Roman letters, okay? Don't use kanji for that. I'll explain that a little bit later. Now, there's one more survey that I want you to do. And this one you can do anytime, okay? Just like the other ChatGPT survey. And the questions themselves are very simple, okay? There are only 2 questions. What did you like about the class? Okay. And what do you think I should do to improve it? I want to get your ideas. And I actually pay attention to these, because if you tell me I didn't like this, and many people say I didn't like this, and I'll think about changing it. And again, this is an anonymous survey. I don't know who wrote what, so it's not going to hurt you at all to be as honest as you possibly can be. You have a reading quiz, and that'll be the same as all of your other reading quizzes, okay? You basically have until July 9th, okay? So until next week, July 9th, you can take this quiz up to 3 times, and Moodle will remember your best score. And the reflection this week is about ancient history. This is about prehistoric times. A really interesting story about something called the Deccan Traps. Watch the video, write your answer, take a picture, send it up to Moodle as you always do. Try to write a little bit more in clear paragraphs. Try to make this an exercise in writing in English, okay? Otherwise, if you don't have any questions, or if you do have questions, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Come and talk to me after this class. Today we'll be concentrating again on preparing for your conversation test. So a lot of talking, but we do that every week as well too. Okay, everybody, thanks very much. Let's have a good class.